Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to host your website on GitHub for free forever. So first, we will go to GitHub website and log into our account, and we'll create a new repository. Let's give it a name. Name it as website. Keep selected here as public. Keep other setting as is. And at the end of the page, click Create Repository button. And our repository created. And now we need to upload our website files. So let's click on Add File and select Upload Files. Here, we need drag our website files and drop in this area. Let's go our files location. We have all files in this folder. Here, we have 3 files to upload for now. Let's select all these files and drag and drop. Done. And let's click green button, Commit Changes. Let's go to Settings, and in the sidebar, click Pages. Here, we click on here and select Main. This should be selected as Root and Save. Now, let go to Code and drag mouse over here on this dot. It says Pending. Let's click on this dot. Now, it update and the backend process to be check and workable. It take a little time. Let's check the detail. It shows it has just completed the job. Okay, let's go to code again. Yeah. That's green sign show success. Let's go to setting and pages. Great, your site is live at this address. We can click on this link or this visit site button, and here we go. Our website is live. Great, and yes, we can click our own domain for this website. We need to type here our domain name and click save. But before this, we need to click here to configure first. And here, managing a custom domain. Scroll down. Here we have domain configuration IP address, which we need to set in the domain control panel. After these settings, we need to go and type our domain name and save it. It will take a while and will be activated. I hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Please like and do subscribe. Thanks.